Welcome back to another video. Today we have the M18 fuel. It is the 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench with friction ring. Product number 2767-20. If you want to help out the channel so we can do more tool reviews, have more tools, videos, reviews, we need more subscribers, more likes, so feel free to help out the channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I do apologize, I just have a still photo for this section. I did lose some footage, some camera footage. So I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover for the first minute, and then we're gonna continue on with the video as normal. So we do have the M18 fuel. It is 1,400 pounds of breakaway torque, which they advertise as 1,400 pounds of nut busting torque. Up to 2 times faster removal, most compact, tool only battery and charger sold separately. It says fits all M18 batteries. And like I said at the beginning, this is product number 2767-20. So whenever you're buying a tool, if you want to get the best one, well, actually not the best one, but if you want to get the most, the 1,400 pounds of torque, you have to get the one that's 2767-20. That is a very important number right there. That is the product number for this tool. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the video now. So it does have 4 different levels here: 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is maximum. And it does have a button here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but there's a button right here. You press that button and you can switch from any of these lights, any of these modes. Mode 1, I would say, is anywhere about 140 pounds, 100 to 150 pounds. Mode 2 is about, maybe I would say about 300 pounds, and then it's just gonna go up to a maximum of 1,000 pounds on this one to tighten up a bolt or a nut, whatever you want to tighten up. But yeah, that's the 4 modes that it has. Same thing with it is a speed too. So if I'll put it in the battery here. I got a 5 amp hour battery. We'll just put that in there. As you guys see, it is in speed 3, and then that's speed 4. That's speed 1. All right. So that's speed 1. Speed 2, speed 3, and speed 4. So that's maximum. So speed 3 and speed 4 is just about the same as fast, but this is the full torque here. Definitely, this is a really nice tool, nice premium tool. It does have the LED here. It's a really bright LED. This is a really nice handle here. Fits really well on the hands. It's really, I like the rubber. It's really soft, really nice rubber here, and it does have like a pocket holder there, just like this. So you can put a pocket holder, hold it in your your bag or whatnot. Let's see here on this side. I'll take the battery out here. So here on the back, up on the, I'll start with the back here. It says 2767-20. It says 1/2 inch square ring impact wrench. You got a serial number there. It says made in China by Milwaukee tool. It's about 3.1, so 3 inches. 3.1, and with the rubber, where the rubber meets, which is the thickest, it's 3.34, so 3.3. It's 1.32. Battery compartment, it's gonna be 2.7. I'll say the length of the tool is about 8 3/4. If not, then thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. So it does say on the box, if you want to help out the channel, feel free to subscribe. In length. Remember, that's the way how high you can help out the channel, so I can buy more tools. And 3/4 that way, and about 8.5 that way. So that's pretty much the measurements for this tool. All right, we got the tool now. We're going to be putting a socket here. Like I said, I don't know what happened to my impact sockets. I'm just using a chrome socket for this demonstration. First, we're going to be starting out with the speed 1. Actually, that is full power right there. You can tell that the gun has a lot of power at that speed. But we're going to be switching back to speed 1 or mode 1 to demonstrate how this tool works with some lug nuts. And then again, that's the speed you want to use in the lug nuts because you don't want to over torque them. 150, 140 is pretty much the norm for these tires or these lug nuts. So as you guys can see, it is struggling a little bit to put them back in and to take them out. But yeah, then again, we're speed 1, so that's designed for lower torque, so you don't break any bolt or screws or whatnot. As you guys see, this thing works really good on speed 1. And then that's full power, so we're going to use full power to take them off. As you guys see, it took them off like nothing. This gun is like really powerful, so definitely recommend this gun for anybody that's a DIY. If you have a shop professional, this will definitely work for you. This is a great tool. And like I said, those torque or those speed modes are very useful, because in the first one you can just use it for the lug nuts. If you want to do some bigger nut busting torque, or the bigger bolts or screws, you can always use full power, and that'll take them just right off. As you guys see, it's a really nice tool. It is heavy. It is a little bigger, especially with the 5 amp hour battery. It's pretty big and heavy. Anyways, just want to share this video with you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you guys want to help out this channel so we can get more tools. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.